Listen up, folks. Artificial intelligence is here, and it's shaking up Wall Street like a herd of bulls in a china shop. Remember when stock trading was all about gut feelings and insider tips? Those days are becoming a thing of the past. Well, move over gut, because AI is bringing the brains to the game. It's revolutionizing how we approach the stock market. Think of it like this. AI is like having a super-powered stock analyst working for you 24/7. Imagine the possibilities. No coffee breaks, no vacations, just crunching numbers and spotting trends faster than you can say, buy low, sell high. It's relentless and precise. Now, I know what you're thinking. Jim, is AI going to take all the fun out of trading? Heck no. It's going to add a new layer of excitement. It's going to make it even more exciting and profitable for everyone. Imagine the thrill of making smarter, faster decisions. So buckle up, because we're about to dive into the wild world of AI-powered stock trading. Get ready for a thrilling ride into the future of finance. All right, let's break down this AI thing without getting too technical. You might have heard the term thrown around a lot, but what does it really mean? Imagine AI as a really smart computer program. It's like having a super intelligent assistant that can process information at lightning speed. It's like that friend who aced all their math tests in school, but instead of bragging about it, they use their powers for good, like helping you pick winning stocks. They analyze data and make predictions based on patterns they find. How does it work? AI gobbles up massive amounts of data, stock prices, news articles, social media trends, you name it. It's constantly learning and updating its knowledge base. Then, it looks for patterns and connections that humans might miss. It's like having a detective who never sleeps, always on the lookout for clues. It's like finding a needle in a haystack, but AI does it in the blink of an eye. It can process and analyze data much faster than any human ever could. So, you see, AI isn't some magical crystal ball. It's not about predicting the future with absolute certainty. It's about using data and smart algorithms to make smarter trading decisions. By analyzing trends and patterns, AI can give you a better chance at making successful trades. And that, my friends, is powerful stuff. With AI, you have a tool that can help you navigate the complex world of stock trading with more confidence and insight. Now, let's talk tools. In the fast-paced world of stock trading, having the right tools can make all the difference. Forget your grandpa's stock ticker tape. Those days are long gone. AI has brought a whole arsenal of cutting-edge tools to the trading table. These tools are designed to give you an edge in the market. We're talking about things like predictive analytics. Think of this as your AI fortune teller, but instead of vague predictions, it gives you data-driven insights into future stock performance. It analyzes past data to forecast future trends. Sentiment analysis, AI scours the web, reading news articles and social media posts to gauge public sentiment about a company. It helps you understand the market mood. Is the buzz positive or negative? AI knows. It can tell you if the general sentiment is favorable or not. Algorithmic trading. These are like robots that buy and sell stocks automatically based on preset rules and AI-powered predictions. They execute trades at lightning speed. Talk about taking the emotion out of trading. With these tools, you can trade more efficiently and effectively. These are just a few examples, folks. The possibilities are endless. The AI toolbox is constantly expanding, giving investors like you and me more power and insights than ever before. Stay ahead of the curve with these innovative tools.